Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, because it's summer here, it's very hot, and today I will teach you how to make the refreshing ice fruit cocktail. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So all the ingredients that I use over here, you can always substitute with something else. So let's say if you don't like peach, you can always substitute with something else like papaya. Or you don't like the jackfruit, or you can find jackfruit, you can change with the avocado. Be creative. The one that I use for today is peach, pineapple, palm seed, jackfruit, lychee, and strawberry. For another ingredients, as a sweetener, I'm going to use the sweetened condensed milk. This is the cocoa pandan syrup. I got it from the Asian market. This is from Indonesia, which is where I'm from. So we always use this. It's really nice. But if you couldn't find this, you can always make a simple syrup, which is 1 part of sugar and then 1 part of water. And then just regular water, just to tone down the sweetness if it's too sweet. So now let's start making it. So I put the peach in. But you always want to check inside your can, or the instruction on your fruit can, because I'm using a canned fruit. Just make sure if the water contains sugar, light sugar, or no sugar at all, because I know some of them contain high in sugar and then some of them is light sugar. So for example, I'm going to use all this lychee with the water because I know there is sugars in it. So that's going to add, and I like the juice from the lychee. The next one, I want to use all the pineapple, including the pineapple juice. Now for the peach, because I know it's not high in sugars, I want to add the water also. Now for the jackfruit. The jackfruit, I know inside the can it says it's high in sugar. So I'm going to take out just the fruits only. I'm not going to use the water. Next one is going to be the palm seed. The same thing with the jackfruit, is high in sugar, so I'm just going to use a little bit. Next, strawberry. Okay, now you want to mix all of this. Give it a little taste. Because I know it's tend to be sweet, so I'm gonna add a little bit water. Now we can add our syrup and the condensed milk. Condensed milk for about, let's say, about 5 to 6 tablespoons. And then the syrup, about 3 tablespoons. You want to mix it again. And you see the color is pink like this. That's awesome. Now you can always adjust after you taste it. So the taste, what you're looking for is something that milky, sweet. I know it's going to be super sweet, but if you want to tone it down, you always tone it down with a little bit of water, because our next step, we're going to put some ice. And remember, ice is going to become a water, right? So you want to put just like that, and then we're gonna mix this. And if you need a little bit more syrup and everything, always add to the end, little by little, so it's not too sweet for you guys. For some of you that don't like super sweet stuff, you can always remove all the water from the fruit can and then change it with water. So now we're gonna serve it in a glass. And there you go, guys. The ice fruit cocktail is ready to serve. This recipe is good if you have guests coming over or you have a big family, so you want to enjoy it on these hot summer days. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.